Okay, this is kind of cool right here. We have the frog and the bunny. So since they have the bunny, I was hoping to find Easter, $29.99. These are $15. 20. It's cute. He is cute. Okay, there's the toad, the snail, and oh, that one's new. $29.99 on your little squirrel friend. This one's $80. Okay, a lot of angels. They're $20. Okay. Again, more pottery. Yellow. More moss bunnies. Alligator guy. I'll just call him the alligator guy. Right? Reminds me of the one playing the trumpet. Also on that one movie, Avengers or Rescuers. Isn't there alligator in that one? Oh, I like this a lot.
No, there were in the Rescuers.
50.
Down under, there was a.
I thought it was an alligator.
It was a goanna. Joanna the goanna.
Now I did read the story. And we have, oh, this bad boy's heavy. Oh, let's see. Using materials provided by Mother Nature.
Good evening, home shoppers.
I did
Remember, every time you
20.
shop here, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Sierra,
This is a good
you
weight.
get 5% back in your wallet.
I
You use your TJ
I like the heaviness of it.
Don't have one?
Look at that.
Not only do members get rewarded for their loyalty, you'll also get exclusive access to store events, giveaways, and openings. So talk to us, and you can start enjoying all the benefits of being a TJX Rewards member today.
Okay, everything's outdoor. A lot of dragons. His belly is ripped off. Very sad. These are cool. 25. Okay, here's another one for 70. Now this one is all smooth. Look, this is a smooth one. Normally it's like all textury.
It's heavy too. It's really heavy.
Okay, well let's not drop this.
It's like solid. It's solid.
40, and they also have a large one. 20. Okay, they moved everything around, but look, we have a mushroom one for $12.99. It's a 12-piece set. Okay, hello. Oh, here's a Charlie Brown one. Haven't seen this one. $12.99. And this one's kind of interesting. Look, it doesn't make marks, I don't think. $5.99.
Just on the bottom.
I don't know if it will have marks on it. The French rolling pin. These are $5.99. 12. David Burke. 25 right here. Viking. This is 15. Like a skillet. Oh. I wish tags would be on the tag. 15. Another 15. Martha, of course, she is 17. Mhm. Look at these pillows. Interesting. Look. I can scoot it out. Look. These are 15. We had to put that back on for me.
Yeah.
Look, they have chocolate, pillows.
Swallowed wrong.
15. The table runner. Go down here. And these are cute. Hey, and they have this one.
St. Patrick's
It's kind of
Day.
funny.
She put a beard on.
A beard. Let's see. How much are they?
They are. Okay. I can get to it. Yeah. 15.
$15. It's kind of funny. I'm not too sure how much that one is, but there's a larger one at the bottom. Pan back in. Oh, I was gonna turn on the light, but I can't. The battery's dying. But look at that. That's cute. Oh, no price on it. Let me get one of these real quick. This is 17. Hold on. Put it right here. $17 for that. Eat, gold plate, knife, spoon, fork. Make sure that doesn't fall. These hearts, I know we've seen in a different video. I saw one that was out. Oh, no price on them. I believe they're like 5 something. Oh, here we go. Yeah, they're 5. They are 5. 5 roses, a ladybug. You're the she to my shenanigans. Oh, to my nanigans? Yeah, shenanigans. Fun paw. That's funny. 5. These are nice too. With the rim. They're gonna be 10. $12.99. Oh, look at this Kate Spade over here. You get 2 in here. These are 12 from 15. And they kind of have like a fun polka dot one. 12. So for a king, $29.99. 25 right here. Oh, let me go down here. There's 7. Look at this one. 15. And bathroom department. Some cute stuff. Body wash. All these trays. I don't want to pull anything out. That's cute too. I like the glass. 7. Oh, look, they have a blue one too. Okay. 7. And these are $12.99. They have a bubble one. $12.99. That's cute. This one's 10. I wish there was more light in here. You know what? They should have a light under here. They should.
Mm-hmm.
You don't even pay attention. You're on your phone.
I'm going around. I just shake my head and make your hands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You didn't even know what I'm talking about.
You're talking about that glass thing over there.
And $12.99.
The soap dispenser or whatever.
It's a fuzzy stool with acrylic legs on it. And I have a little tiny one. This kind of pan. Wow, look at these fancy dog bowls. Look at some marble. 15. It's actually quite heavy. I have a wooden one too. $12.99. It's funny. Tommy Hilfiger. This is for a king. 70 full queen. And then Kate Spade over here. We'll skip over there. They're arguing. Let's go back over here. And baskets. $29.99. 30. They're all the same. That's 30 as well. The Whiskey Ginger Company. Oh my gosh. Let me get closer. Did you see this?
Oh, wow.
She's 20.
She's a vampire.
It's kind of funny. I haven't seen that one done yet. Okay, 400. There's a Monet one for 50. 20. And I believe there's something else over here. 40. Joni Parker. Alright, you guys, this might be the end of this video. That's right here.
Disney Park restaurant.
Yeah, I saw that the other day. 17.
Let's make some Monte Cristo.
Monte Cristo's 20. You missed the Monte Cristo?
I do.
Crisco.
Well, you know, Cheddar's had a really good one for a long time too. But and they're cheaper. They're not $20, they're like $8.
I haven't been at Cheddar's in a while.
But I love mine.
That's kind of cool down there. I wish these had like the texture of it, but they don't. They're just lines. So 25. But this one I do think it's kind of cool looking. Just let me pan out. 30. $29.99. Ooh. Man, how do I put it back? Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. Alright, you guys. I believe. Ooh, look at this. That's kind of cool looking. They have a tiny one down there. That's 80 for the tray. That's 70. Hill House Living. And then this is like more pottery. Oh, there's Rihanna, of course. I like this blue 20. It's kind of cool. This one actually looks like it has like some shimmer to it. Let me try to pick it up. That's cool looking. I was gonna flip it over. I don't think I can. 20. I did it. That's cool. I want to see how much this is. I don't want to lift it. Alright, you guys. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. That's cool. Don't they look like they have like shimmer? You can't see it.